to Pure Kitchen. This is Patrick. Guys, I am seasoning my chicken right now, today. And I'm putting it to soak in red wine vinegar with my seasoning. And I'm going to soak until tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going to fry and we're going to make a red wine honey gravy to go with the chicken. So I'll show you guys how I'm doing my chicken. And I'm doing it like this because I want to season it so to seep in. And let it soak overnight. You see, I leave on some of the fat for the flavor. And we can use some of this seasoned salt. We use paprika. We use some onion powder. Garlic powder. Rory. A little. Some chicken flavor. Where's my? Put some molasses. So I'm using some organic red wine vinegar. And I'm going to leave this to soak overnight, and then I'll cook this in the morning. This is how it looks right now. You guys can see. This is how it looks right now. So you're going to soak like that. So you guys can see it tomorrow when we're ready to cook. So I'm going to put cling wrap over this here. So you're gonna marinate real good. All right, so this is going to sit until tomorrow, and then we can cook. Hey guys, this is the chicken that I dressed last night, that I seasoned last night and put in the fridge. It was sitting there for about 11 hours. So now I'm gonna prepare it, and I'm gonna do it step by step so you guys could see my different measurements of my dressing that I'll be using. So guys, just join me in the kitchen as we cook. Hey guys, well, I'm preparing the chicken now. This is the chicken that we seasoned yesterday. So we're gonna do our cooking now. Right now, I'm gonna fry this chicken. So I'm gonna put it fry. Oil is hot here, so I'm gonna So I'm gonna let this fry a little, and then when I'm finished, I'll transfer it over into here. I'll transfer it over into here, and then you guys are gonna see how I'm gonna put my dressing on it, and I'll put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Remember, you don't want the chicken to fully cook. This one to cook enough to get that fry crispiness like that, something. Okay guys, this is how I'm gonna flavor it and make the dressing for my chicken. I'm using molasses, which is this here. Okay, I'm using a quarter cup of molasses. I'm using 1 cup of ketchup. I'm using 2 teaspoons of red honey vinegar, which I'm gonna put in here. This is my molasses. You want this small spoon over there, please? This one? The molasses is very thick, so you're gonna put in my ketchup. And I'm using some coconut milk. See that? Coconut milk. So now you're gonna average this here, okay? And this here is, it just fell in. This is ginger. I'm gonna add 2 pieces of ginger, this whole. Okay. So take our chicken out. Right now I'm gonna season this. Put some seasoning in here. So I'm using a bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of this is very hot. So I'm not gonna use much of this here. My chicken. Good. So here now we're gonna put our dressing on our chicken and we put it in the oven. So the oven is already on and preheated to 350. So now I'm gonna throw this on top of my chicken. Guys, so you want to make this at home, man? This is a very easy recipe, very delicious. You can, oh man. Guys, and this is original recipe. Okay? This come from a book. This come directly from Pew Kitchen. Now I'm gonna cover this here, guys, and let it cook in the oven for again. Guys, you can be there for 35 minutes. 35 to 40. Okay? And let it cook. And these are recipes you could make at home, man. The Valentine is around the corner. Guys, you could prepare this, ladies, you know, for a Valentine special. You know, directly from Pew Kitchen, man. This is good food, healthy food. Okay, here we go. And now I'm gonna make some fried rice. but there can be another video. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna check our chicken now and see how it come out. It's time. Okay guys, so this is our chicken here. Okay, it's finished. You see, this gravy here is actually the coconut milk. So guys, you know it can taste real good. You see, this is done. Oh yeah, this is good to go. Yes guys, you see, so when you stick the fork in it, you wouldn't see any kind of blood or any kind of rawness coming out. See this here? Come right off. This is good. I'll put it in my mouth, okay? Oh man. But the chicken sit for about 11-12 hours in the season in the fridge. It's soaked into the meat, and by I cut it, it seeped in all the way down. So it's well seasoned. The meat is really, really, really seasoned, and it's delicious. So now we have this there. It's done. Is a piece of the ginger right there, and here, and this gravy here is coconut milk. So thick. There's the milk right there. The milk and the wine, and see, oh man, it's gonna be good, guys. So now to top it off, we get it. There's some celery. Okay guys, so that's it.
Yes, I saw it.
Okay, so this is the conclusion of the fried rice and our chicken. This is the red wine vinegar chicken in coconut milk. Guys, this is it right here. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna dig into this right now. This is mine. So guys, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching Pew and Pew Kitchen, guys. Remember, stay positive, stay excited, guys, and stay well. And I'll see you when I see you in Pew Kitchen. You guys have a great one. Thank you again.